Hello, in this video I show you how to install AprilAire 1213 upgrade kit into AprilAire 2200 air cleaning system. This upgrade kit is also compatible with AprilAire models 2250, 2400 and Space-Gard 2200 systems. First, turn off power to your furnace for safety. Next, remove the filter cover, just like I show in the video. Use the handle to slide out the existing filter. One common problem with original filter system is that dust can bypass the filter edges over time, and the original frame can also become messy and harder to clean after years of use. After removing the filter, clean the inside of the housing before installing the new upgrade kit. The filter cover has this soft foam seal attached to it, but mine was very dusty. Later in the video I show how I cleaned and replaced it. For now I just remove the old material and clean the area. Now let's unpack the new AprilAire 1213 upgrade kit. This foam strip is included for the newest style cover, but we'll try to use it with our existing AprilAire 2200 cover. Inside the box you find a sticker, the new AprilAire 213 filter and the metal support brackets. The brackets slide into the existing filter housing like this. Now let's install them. Next, insert the assembled frame into the filter box. Now let's unpack and install the filter itself. Notice the airflow arrow printed on the filter. Air should always flow from the ductwork toward the furnace. Slide the filter into the new rail system. I use the included foam strip to help seal the cover. I also used an additional foam sheet to fill the gap at the top. I folded it 3 times to match the correct thickness. After that, reinstall the cover and the filter upgrade is complete. Thank you for watching.